Don't move my hand. Open.
Oh, you need to take your fingers and run them all through my strings. Strum it out, strum it out, strum it out. You can play in the
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I am Miss J, and today I am going to be showing you guys some items that I bought Faith for Easter. So if you're new here, welcome, 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 and consider subscribing and join the fam. You guys, what I got for her. So the first item that I got for her, I got this from the dollar store and I thought it was really cute. It is like Barbie, the little Barbie girls at the bottom. Every girl loves them some Barbie. So I got this for her, got some little treats inside. I usually do her basket, but maybe next year I'll get a basket and just, make it myself. But this year I just picked up some items. I got this from Dollar Tree. This was only like 10 bucks, y'all, but it was really, really cute. It got strawberry taffy candy. It has a puzzle set. It got those little chalks that you can just draw on the ground with this outside, and I thought that was really cute. I got a couple of other things in here, some stickers. So this is what I picked up from Dollar General. I think it was Dollar Tree. Okay, so I got this for her. Faith is not here yet, but she should be getting here from my mom's house. So what I also picked up these Easter egg, and it has like it have markers inside, but what she can do is she can draw on it, and I just thought this was really cute. This was at Dollar General as well. This was $3, y'all. I just thought this was really cute. Let me bring it up closer. You see, you can draw, make some little designs and color it in with the little markers. I thought that was really cute. And then I got her these Easter warheads. They're like Sour Patches, but they're more like chewy bunnies, Sour Patches. So I got her these. Russell Silver's chocolate Easter bunny. I thought that was really cute. I believe this was at Dollar General, Dollar Tree as well. So this was really cute. I think this was $5. I think. Don't quote me. I think it was like $5 or $10, one of them. But it's a nice. It's a big size Easter chocolate Easter bunny. We gotta have a chocolate for Easter, right? You cannot leave out a chocolate Easter bunny. We just gotta have that, right? For the kiddos. These little plush Easter bunnies that I thought was really cute, y'all. So cute, so cute. These were only $1.25. This was the last two they had. I just thought these were so cute, and they're so soft. So I got her those. Also got the laser paddle ball. Now I know y'all remember this when y'all was growing up. I used to play with this when I was a little girl, and I thought it was just really cute. You just do that and the ball jump. I know. Comment below. Let me know if y'all remember this. Let me move this up closer. Do y'all remember this? But this was only $1, y'all. So I was like, I gotta get this. So cute. So I got her this Peep wand. It's a giant bubble wand, and this was only $2, y'all. Look how cute this is. I'm gonna hold it up closer. It got the little Easter peeps on it. This is really cute. Dollar Tree got it going on, honey, for real. They got it going on. And then I also added in some little chip snacks for her. So she loves them. She loves her some chips. So I got some chips. I have a little treat from Bath Body Works because we love Bath and Body Works over here. I guess y'all can tell. It's Tiana, Disney Princess Tiana. And it comes with the bath wash, the lotion, and the perfume. This was really nice. This was like a nice little gift set. So I added this in for her as well. Some smell goods, because the little girls gotta smell. The little girls gotta smell good. So she's gonna love the Bath and Body Works, right? And then I got her some hand sanitizer for school. This one is Tiana Princess Disney as well. Some hand sanitizer for school. She can take or she'll leave it here. And then I got her some Nike sneakers. She wanted these so bad. So I said, I told her Easter I'll get them for you. And this is what they look like, y'all. So this is the Nike Dunks. And this is what they look like, y'all. She wanted these so bad. So that's what these look like. I just thought they were so cute. And they look like Easter, don't they? Look at the colors. So hopefully she's going to be surprised when she sees. She'll be surprised when she see these Nike Dunks because she wanted them. Okay. So guys, that was basically all I got her for Easter. So she's about to come in and you guys are going to see her face expression when she see what I got her for Easter. Matter of fact, my mom just paged me and said they're downstairs. So I'm gonna surprise her. I'm gonna set the stuff up probably on her bed. So when she walk in, we're gonna see if she's gonna be surprised. I didn't do that much Easter candy this year, and I didn't do too much. I just did just a little something, because kids gotta enjoy Easter. I remember when I was growing up as a little girl, we went to church, we got our hair done, we went to church. Me growing up, Easter was more like Easter Sunday, going to church, stockings, the uh, little patent leather shoes and the tights and the little white gloves and the little straw hats. But you know what? Kids don't like dressing up really. They don't like dressing up like that no more. So, but that's how I remember Easter. My mom made dinner. We came home. We ate breakfast. I mean, we came home after church and had Easter dinner, and that was our Easter. But times have really changed through the years. Kids these days, they don't want to dress up no more. They want to just wear sneakers. I try to keep the tradition going on. We're going to go to church Sunday and have a good old time. So that's my plans for Sunday. Um, that is my plans for Sunday. We're going to go to church and probably go out to eat or something like that. But enough of the yap yap. Let me put this stuff away so she can come in. So hold on. Okay, guys, Faith is home, so I'm going to bring her upstairs. Okay, hold on, y'all. Don't move my hand. Don't move my hand. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Keep them closed. Stop it. Move back. Silly. Open.
No, thank you so much, Mom. I love you.
I love you too. You want to open them? Wait.
Yay!
Are those the sneakers you want?
Yes.
All right. Okay, open the rest of your stuff.
Okay. This is not fun, guys.
You like your basket? The little Barbie basket. It's cute.
Yeah. You see this. Wow. Oh, I love sour stuff.
Okay.
Well, how do I open this?
Did you check out your other little things you got?
You said that was open.
Oh, stop it. Wait. Who is that on the Bath and Body? What's the name of that one? That's a Disney princess character, right? Tiana. Okay. And you like the Easter eggs? You can draw.
Chocolate.
That is one of those ping pong things that I used to play with when I was little, and they just bringing everything back. Okay, girl. There's another one.
Oh.
Got a chocolate Russell Stover's chocolate.
I love milk chocolate. I hate white chocolate. For those white chocolate lovers, I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Olivia
Now, do you like your items you got?
May.
That's a big chocolate.
Let me try her ear.
That's a big chocolate. And you cannot eat all that chocolate like that.
You know this is only have this. Do you know this is only 30% chocolate?
Let me try a piece. Just a little piece. Russell Stover's got it going on, baby. You can put that in the freezer. Mm, that's really good.
I got 2 chips. I didn't look like I left it in it.
Mm-hmm.
You crack these?
I don't think you could crack those eggs. I think those just to draw on. Let me get another piece of this chocolate. I won't eat the whole thing.
Mama,
Mm-hmm.
your favorite.
Mm. Mm. This chocolate is good, y'all. Mm.
I won't eat the whole thing.
I'll try not to.
Wait for
Mm. Okay. So, guys, we're going to end this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let us know what you think in the comments. Do you like your items you got for Easter?
Yes.
All right.
I'm not open the Easter thingy.
What thing?
Can you help me color this?
Mm-hmm.
Color the lines only, not the inside.
The inside of the line.
I'm gonna eat some of my chips.
All right, guys. So Faith got me doing coloring Easter eggs. But anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We love y'all so much. What do you want to tell them?
Like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Like and subscribe.
Bang bang.
Hit that notification
Bang
bell.
bang.
Bang, 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 like she said. I hope you guys enjoy your Easter Sunday. Love on yourself. Be kind. Be caring. And stay amazing. And stay blessed. Peace out.
I'm 11, 10 hours.
How am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong.